Good afternoon student. Today we are going to discuss about iteration statement. Already know the iteration statement means looping. An iteration is the sequence of one or more statements that are repeatedly executed until a condition is satisfied. When the condition will be satisfied, that time the program will be executed. So this statement also called as control flow statement. Within the loop they will be executed the condition. It was to reduce the length of code. What their main advantages is that reduce the length of the code and reduce the time to execute the program and takes the less memory space for the C++ program. So here in the C++ program, the three type of the iteration statement we are used to. One is the for statement, another one while, and another one is the do while statement. What is the statement? For statement, while statement, do while statement. All looping statement repeat a set of the statement as long as specified condition is remain is true. So the specified condition is referred as where the condition will be executed within the loop. So the loop of control. For all the three loop statement condition, any non-zero value and zero value shows the false condition. What is the parts of the loop? Every loop has the four elements. Okay, one loop inside is executed means they have the four elements are used in the different purpose. These elements are, first is the installation expression, text expression, update expression, the body of loop. What is the type? Installation expression, text expression, update expression, the body of loop. And the installation expression means the control variable must be initialized before the control enters into the loop. For example, you have another I equal to 10. So up to condition you want to check the 10. When your condition get the 10, that time only the condition will be executed. The installation of the control variable takes the place under the installation expression. The installation expression is executed only once, first at the beginning of the loop. So next is the text expression. The text expression is the expression or condition whose value decide whether the loop body while will be executed or not. They will check the I less than equal to 5, I greater than equal to 5. This is the condition. They will be executed. If the expression evaluated true, the body of the loop will be executed. So when the condition will be true, the body of the loop will be executed the statement until the condition will be checked one by one. In the entry control loop, the text expression evaluated before the entering into the loop. Whereas exit controlled loop, the text expression evaluated before exit from the loop. Next is the update. It is used to change the value of loop variable. What is the mean? It is used to change the value of loop variable. This statement executed at the end of the loop after the body of the loop will be executed. Which one? Update expression. Last one, the body of the loop. A statement or set of the statement form the body of the loop that executed repeatedly. Body of mean open bracket, close bracket, within, inside they will be executed the loop. In the entry control the loop, first the text expression is evaluated. If it is the non-zero, the body of the loop is executed. Otherwise, the loop is terminated. In non-controlled loop, the body of the loop is executed first, then the text expression. First is executed the body of the loop, next will be executed the text expression is evaluated. The text expression is true, the body is repeated, otherwise the loop is terminated. Okay, this is the first we are explain about for loop. The for loop is the easiest looping statement. The for loop is the easiest looping statement which allows the code to be executed repeated. In the condition, three different statement we are using in the for statement. One is another installation, condition or text expression, and update expression. Both all will be splitted with the separated by the semicolon. Here is the syntax of the for loop. The for first one is another installation and text expression, and next is the update expression. Each one want to split it with a semicolon. So within the loop all the condition will be executed. So when the condition will be true, they will be executed the statement 1 and statement true, and last is the default statement. So how they executed? First this is the another installation I less than equal to 5. This is another up to condition. First the listen You want to check the condition is I less than equal to 5, and you want to first initialize the value I equal to 0. The starting value is the 0, and condition will be checking that. So next expression I less than 5, and what is the update expression I plus plus. So another 0 plus 1 equal to, you get the value 1. First value we want to start it with the 0, and next is the 0 plus 1 plus 1 equal to, you get the value 2, and 2 plus 1 equal to, you get the value 4. Sorry, 3. 3 plus 1 value, you get the value 4. So up to another, the condition when is you get the 5, the less than 5 will come, that time in the condition will be true, that loop will be executed. So the installation part is used to initialize the variables or declare the variable which are executed only once. Then the control pass to text expression. After the evaluation of the text expression, if the result is false, the control transfer the statement X. The result, when the result will be true, the body of the loop will be executed. So first is the another installation statement, and next is the text expression and exit for the loop and statement X. So here is the another installation statement. They will go the update the statement, and this is another checking the true or false. True means the body of the loop, body for the loop will be executed, and false means the exit for the loop, the statement X will be displayed in your program. Thank you, student.